Sodium metal is stored in paraffin oil. You bring it out, cut it into pieces. Now, sodium metal is very soft, can be easily cut. Now, you dry out the sodium metal first with filter paper to be free of paraffin oil before you put it in the fusion tube. Then you take it to the Bunsen burner and heat until it glows blue. It melts and glows blue. Then you are ready to add your sample. Make sure your sample is added directly on the hot sodium metal as you remove it from the Bunsen burner while it glows blue. Okay. Then you add your sample now. Please make sure it's added directly on hot sodium metal. Just a few crystals of your milk. Now we can take it to the Bunsen burner and heat onto our fusion tube. Sample, then you take it back to the Bunsen burner to heat. We want to carry out sodium fusion tests. When fusion is complete, now in elemental analysis in organic chemistry, we need to detect and then elements other than carbon and hydrogen that are present in any organic compound, like sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, and halogen, like chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Now first I'm going to start with detection of nitrogen. First, I collect my ferrous sulfate crystals in a clean test tube. I will now add my extract. Now we need to heat in the Bunsen burner Heat to boiling. Heat to boiling. The next thing, you acidify with sulfuric acid. This is my sulfuric acid 2 molar solution. Watch the acidification. Now, this indicates the presence of nitrogen. It looks greenish because of the dilute presence of nitrogen. This is actually a Prussian blue test. Now we go for sulfur test. Take another clean test tube. For test for sulfur, I need my extract and then sodium nitroprusside. Now for test for sulfur, I have my extracts here. Now 1/2 ml of my extract. If you have enough of your extract, you can take 1 ml. If not, 1/2 ml is still okay. On the next thing I need my sodium nitroprusside solution or reagents for the test for sulfur. Now, the purple color indicates the presence of sulfur. You can see sulfur is present. Sometimes this purple color fades or is discharged to turn a bit brownish. The next test we can carry out is a test for halogen. We don't know which of the halogens are present, whether it's chlorine or bromine or iodine. So now we take 1 ml of the extract. Now for halogen test, you need silver nitrate solution. But first of all, you need to acidify with nitric acid. Now, why the acidification with nitric acid? Is because assuming nitrogen and sulfur is present in the extract, it can interfere with the halogen test. So you acidify with nitric acid to expel the presence of sulfur and nitrogen as hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen sulfides. So we acidify with nitric acid. After acidification, we'll heat to expel the hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen sulfide gas. We heat to boil to make sure the solution is free of nitrogen and sulfur. Okay, so we can add the silver nitrate. Now this is a positive test for the presence of halogens. Now this is white PPT forms, white precipitate forms. It means it indicates the presence of chlorine. Now we can also confirm this test, assuming you're suspecting, you don't know or unable to identify the exact halogen present. You can add ammonia solution to confirm the exact chloride, either chloride, bromide, or iodide that is present. If it's iodine that is present, it won't dissolve, this precipitate would dissolve in excess ammonia. But if it is bromine that is present, it will dissolve at excess ammonia. Now, if it's chloride, the addition of ammonia in dropwise can dissolve the precipitates. Now, this white precipitate is not orange or it's not yellow, so the thought of bromine and iodine is needless to test for. So this is chloride present. Having carried out the elemental analysis detection of sulfur, nitrogen, and halogen successfully, now you see from the test that for presence of nitrogen, we had the Prussian blue color. While for the test of sulfur, we have the purple color. Then while the test for the halogen, now we see the white precipitate at addition of silver nitrates after acidification. Now for this sample we have tested, we detected nitrogen, sulfur, and chlorine present in this organic extract we tested for. Now, this is the end of this video. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification button for further videos. Thank you.